Greetings traders, it is Friday, May 18th, 2018. Getting started trading here. I'm just looking for a code entry, and as soon as I take one, I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken a buy entry here. I'll be right back. Okay, stop is placed at 46. Code 1 entry. Okay, it's starting to move up here a little bit. I'm going to go for just 30 ticks in this trade. Just going to take one trade. It's Friday. Don't expect it to do a lot. I'm just using a code 1 entry into a code 2 trade, looking for 30 ticks. I'll come back. I actually missed the ideal entry because I wasn't at the computer at the time, and I didn't realize it was so late, so I missed it, but it was perfect. And yeah, the code is doing very well right now, so I'm coming in late here, but I think it's going to still keep going. So I'm just using a code 1 entry that I got long to give it a chance to be the entry that it's just going to keep going. And there's a good chance it will, because if this is a code 2 trade, which I think it is. So anyway, I'll come back. And if it's not, it's going to go hit the stop. Okay, the stop was hit. I also now have a code 1 short entry, so I've taken it short here. I'm going to go for 30 ticks on this one. I'll come back. Let me reset the stop. Okay, stop is set to 71.57. Okay, it's starting to come down here. Just coming down 30 ticks to 71.15 on the exit. It's going for the bottom here on the 10-minute. Needs to break this bottom at 26, and then it's a quick little ride down to 15. Get out for 30 ticks. Okay, here it goes, going for the bottom here. I'll come back just to show you what the daily looks like here. Daily looking good. Could actually get more from this. I don't really know how far down it's going to go. I was just thinking going for 30 would be good. Here it goes. Getting close. I mean, I would either go for 30 or 40. What did it make it down to? 17? Almost there. Okay, I'll come back. It may bounce up a little bit here for a little while, but I'm just going to ride it out, because it should make it to the 30 ticks, no problem. And if it takes too long, I could even go for 40 ticks, probably make it, because once it breaks here, it'll go down a bit more. But other than that, I'll just leave the 30 out. Okay, since it's bouncing up so much, I'm going to go for more ticks, because what's going to happen is once it rolls back over and comes all the way back down again, and comes back down to the bottom, it's going to go a bit further. So I'm going to go for more than, I'm going to go for an extra 10. So let's see, we're at 30 right now. I'll take it down to 05. Okay, 71.05 on the exit now for 40 ticks. I'll come back. And also take a look at the daily here. You see what's happening is we're still in a red coming down. It's bounced back up a little bit, but what's going to happen is it's going to keep getting pulled down. And it's going to come down and make a lower low down here. And so, just a matter of time before that happens. And so anyway, when it does, it gets pulled down lower than this low. It'll pull us down into our exit of 40 ticks. Anyway, I'll come back. I just got back. I had to step out for a little bit, and I noticed that if I had kept my 30 tick exit in place, I would be out right now, but it bounced back up. Anyway, I still believe it's going to make it. I have more code 2 entries here to go short, so it's going to make it. And anyway, I'll come back later. Once it's made it to the exit, I'll come back. Okay, so it's just made it to the exit, and I'm all done for today. Today is Friday, and it's late here. I don't even know what time it is, but it's late here, Friday night. And so I'm going to get going. I hope all of you traders hit the trade. It was pretty easy today, and got it wrong on the initial one, but was able to go the other direction because the code 1 was indicating to go in that direction. So all I did was use a code 1. Once I got it right, I just held it. Simple as that. That's what I keep teaching over and over again, that you have to do this, and the code allows you to do this. It's the only way to trade, in my opinion. You know, of course, it's just my opinion, but you can see that the way that I do it works, and that's why I use that way, because it works. I'm a firm believer in doing whatever works. So anyway, I'm all done for the week. Hope you traders had a good week, especially you charting subscribers, and have a great weekend, everyone, and I will see you for next week's trading. Happy trading out there.